Secondly, I'm going to do the ribbon test. So in order to do this, I want to clear away some of the mulch and the topsoil and kind of get to the foundation. So you can see as I dig here, I can start to get an idea for the soil. Mine's not super wet. I want to wet it for this ribbon test. And essentially what we do is we take a lump of soil in the palm of our hand, and we want it to be moist. And when we squeeze it between our thumb and forefinger, you see we create kind of a ribbon of soil, a thin ribbon. And essentially what we're looking for is it either all sticks together and I can create a really long ribbon as I squeeze. It creates a shorter ribbon and breaks apart slowly, or it just comes out crumbling. And the first is actually a sign of clay soil. The second is loamy, silty soil. And the last is actually sandy soil. You can see here that mine's a little bit sandy, but it actually sticks together. So it's a nice kind of silty loam, which is exactly what you want. Holds water, has lots of air holes for oxygen and retention of nutrients. And I like to do it at a couple different levels just to make sure as I go down into my root structure, I can get a feel for the for kind of the texture of the soil and what I need to add and how I need to improve it over the growing season or over the winter to make it more hospitable for my plants and the roots. While I'm doing that, I can look for some worms, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. But you can see here I've got some really nice soil. This is my hydrangea bed, which I've worked on over the years. That really has a nice texture to it, and it feels really good.